Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a origami dino. So let's start. For origami dino you need a square shape from A4 size sheet. Now first step is to fold into a triangle shape like this. In the opposite side also. Now we have to fold into a half shape like this, even in the opposite side, and crease them. After that you open and you could see these four straight lines. So hold them and push them. After that they get formed into this both square shape. Now next step is you can see this open side. In this open side you have to fold this shape of folding into the center line, even the next other one at the opposite side also. Now you could see this extra part and fold it upon this. Now open it. Now open even these one by one. Now put them up and you have to fold them into this into the middle, as you could see. Do the same thing over the opposite side. Now close one of the side of the paper. Now you could see this one with this one. Now flip this thing on the other side. Now you have to fold it like in this way into this. You can see this part. Now you have to fold it to the middle part this way, and even in the other side in the same piece. Now after you crease them both, you could see these X over here, and in between the X you could see these lines. Now fold these both like this so that this thing forms like up. Now you could see this one fold it down this. Now you could see this one, this extra part, you have to push that thing down like this and put it back. It will be the part of kind of hand. Now let's do the head part. For head part you have to first fold it like this and open this, and you have to open this one and crease it back side like this and push it back. Now for the other knot, for the face, you have to fold this straight one to a half and crease it and open it back. Now you could see an open part over here. Open this part, push this part over there and close it back. Now you could see the other knot of the head. Now we have to do our leg part. For leg, there are three parts over here. You have to take two of them for the legs. The upper ones are the legs, and this thing is the tail. For leg, fold this flap in this way. Don't fold it straight way. You have to fold it. It have to be a triangle in between. Do the same way in the opposite side. Now for the down part, you have to fold it in this way. Even over the other side. Now after that, the next step is you could see this part. Fold it like in this way. Even the other side of the leg. So after this, our dino is ready. We have to make eyes and make it happy. Okay, for eyes, you could make a circle over here and put a small dot over here and make a smiley mouth here. You could make an eye on the opposite side. Yes, our dino is ready. You could decorate your dino in your whichever way you want. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more better and interesting videos. Bye.